Welcome back, friends, and welcome back to my channel. If your Android phone battery seems to be draining too fast, even when you are barely using it, then this video is for you. Today, I am going to tell you what are the common reasons behind the rapid battery drain, and most importantly, how to fix it. So, not wasting much of your time. If you are new to the channel, please do consider to subscribe this channel after watching it completely. First, we have to know the reasons. Rapid battery drain means your phone's battery percentage drops very fast. Sometimes even within a couple of hours. You might notice this when your phone gets hot or shuts sound suddenly, means you are just touching the phone and it is looking very hot. At that time drains rapidly. So this can be super frustrating, especially if you rely on your fan throughout the day, because it is going to drain your battery within half a day. Why does this happen? There are top issues: background apps. Some apps keep running in the background, constantly using the battery without even realizing it. So, screen brightness, you have just set your brightness too high, outdated software, even your battery health is not proper, or some malware or hidden apps. So, I am going to show you how to check it. This is a Samsung mobile. First go to the setting and then go to the battery and device care. Here battery health is good. First you optimize it. See, background apps are being closed. Here my battery is good, no high battery, but in your case you will see something here. These are the diagnosis. Now I want to show you. When you go to the battery here, see which app is consuming your battery more rapidly. So in that case, just go to that app. Either you have recently updated it or something has happened. So just uninstall that app and reinstall it from Google Play. Then those apps which are taking more battery from your phone, you can just do what I have told you. Then the second thing, go for the screen brightness and see it is optimized or not. Just optimized it. More things here also: background usage limit. Just you have many unused app in your mobile, just put those apps into the sleep mode. Okay, here, and then sleeping apps, just select from here plus button and add all the apps which are not getting frequently used. Okay, so this, from here you can, one thing also you can do in Samsung mobile, there are facility that to extend the lifespan of this battery, they do not allow it to completely charge it. Just charge it to 85% and then stop it down. So this can also increase the battery life. If you are suddenly in a low battery situation and you need the battery for some time, then enable the power saving mode. It will do just like that. Okay, only essential services will run. Now I will remove it. Okay, just tap it here and turn up power saving mode. It will automatically come out. So this was the fourth thing. And then for the updates, your phone is updates or not, or check for the malwares. How? I just go to the Play Store, tap it here, and then you will see here Play Protect. See, no harmful apps found. Check it. Okay, this will help. And after doing all these things, if your battery is still draining, then your phone is old and battery health is poor. It might be the time to replace that battery. Go to the service center and ask for replacement of battery. So this is what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.